everybody. Welcome to my weekly recommendations, and today we're going to cover our winter produce program. So I have talked about this before. We are doing a bunch of great stuff in our production houses, and we plan on having it all the way until about the end of January. So I'm going to go through what we are currently picking, and first up is Kale Greens. We have two different varieties of Kale Greens, and we're putting them into like 8-ounce bags. They are in the store, in our refrigerator. Next up is going to be mixed greens. So you have red leaf lettuce, green leaf lettuce, there's some romaine mixed in there, bok choy, and then beet greens. The beet greens are awesome mixed in with your salad. And then in front here, we have our microgreens, and we have two different ones. We have a spicy and a mild, and then the sunflower sprouts. If you're not familiar with sunflower sprouts, they have a ton of different nutrients in them, a bunch of different vitamins, including zinc. It's real high in zinc for your immune system. We're also picking green onions, cherry tomatoes. Our regular tomatoes are a few weeks out yet, and then also pickles and cucumbers. Some other items that will be coming up is going to be some cabbage, broccoli, carrots. So there are some new items going to be coming on board. Another thing is we're actually compiling all this and making a produce box. There is going to be some different stuff in there every week. We are going to be putting them online, on sale. You can also phone in for them if you would like, but the orders have to be in by Thursday night, and pickup is going to be Saturday and Sunday morning between 10 and 12. This stuff is looking great. It's great in salads. We've been eating it for a couple weeks now. I can't talk any more about it. It's going to keep you healthy going through winter, and stop in and check it out. It's pretty exciting to see the stuff growing when everything else outside, the fields are are coming to an end. They're going to rest, but we are keeping this going inside of the houses and under lights and everything. So it's pretty neat to see. So next up is going to be Maddison, and she's going to be talking about some upcoming classes.
Hi everyone, I'm Maddison. I'm the Education and Events Coordinator here at Bedner's Farm and Greenhouse. We are so excited about some of these upcoming classes. Since it's fall, we're talking all about bulbs, but not just any old bulbs. We're going to be talking all about growing garlic on Thursday, October 29th. This is going to be a great class where you learn how to take care of this plant, how you start it right now, and we're going to even talk about some of my favorite recipes using different parts of the garlic throughout its life cycle. So that's a class I'd recommend checking out coming up soon. We're also getting ready for Christmas at Bedner's. This is the first year we're doing Christmas, and one of the first little inklings of Christmas is actually the Amaryllis Bulbs, which have just arrived. We've got lots of different varieties that we're going to be selling in the store, but we're also doing a class on Thursday, November 5th, all about holiday amaryllis, where we're going to actually plant these bulbs in cute little terracotta pots, and then the timing is going to be just right for you to be able to then have this plant blooming its beautiful red or white blooms right around the holidays. So it'll be a great way to brighten up your house with some colorful blooms from Bedner. So we hope to see you at some of these upcoming classes. Thanks a lot.